Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Daisy Silorio Umaging. I'm 32 years old. I'm single with one child. I live in San Mateo, Isabela, Philippines. I have 3 brothers and 5 sisters, and I am 8 in the family. I am a second-year college level. I took up a Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I work experience in United Arab Emirates, 2 years and 6 months. I serve 1 couple and 3 children, ages of 8, 6, and 3. My main duties there are taking care of children, ironing, cleaning the house, washing dishes, and taking care of the children.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I check the baby, the temperature always, and if as needed, I tell to my employer if the baby is sick.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am a hardworking and trustworthy, and I follow the rules and regulation.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Okay. Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I work in abroad because I need to support the family, especially my child, and I save money for the future.
Okay. If you get hired, who will take care of your children?
My mother, sir.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking person and trustworthy, and I do my duties and responsibilities.
Okay. If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will focus my work and my duties.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I finish in the night, 10 o'clock, and I wake up in 5 o'clock in the morning.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I stay calm and then make more patient myself.
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
No, kung hindi pala Hong Kong. Singapore ka?
Yes, sir.
Oy. Okay. Are you going to share room with kids? Do you promise that to yourself that you know? Okay. Palitan natin.
Sige, sir.
So, alisin ko na pala ito.
Okay, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong? Alisin ko na yan.
Yes,
Mga Hong Kong lang yun. Tapos ito, can you cook Chinese food? Alisin ko na rin yan.
yes, sir.
Okay.
Only dalawa lang yung...
Dalawa lang yung maalis.
Sige, sir.
So, ang pagkakatinanong kita, good day to you, please introduce yourself. Good day, sir. Sir lang ha?
Sir lang.
Kasi ako.
Okay.
Walang yun, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Sige. Final. Smile. 1, 2, 3.